Factoring quadratic expressions using algebra tiles. Welcome to my math class, Mathematics Made Easy. Click like and subscribe. Factor each of the following polynomial expressions and answer the questions that follow. Number 1, 3x squared plus 9x. Number 2, 2x squared minus 6x. Number 3, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Number 4, x squared minus 10x plus 24. The last, number 5, 2x squared plus 3x minus 14. In the course of the discussion, these questions will be answered. How did you factor each polynomial expression? What factoring technique did you use to come up with the factors of each polynomial expression? Let us recall the algebra tiles. We have the blue, green, and yellow tiles are positive tiles. The red tiles are the negative tiles. The big square tile is the x squared tile, or it is called quadratic tile. The rectangular tile is the x tile, or I call it the linear tile. The small square tile is the ones tile, or unit tile. Factor the given polynomial expression below and answer the questions that follow. Okay, so we're going to factor 3x squared plus 9x. How did you factor this polynomial expression? Okay, so to factor it, we look for what is common in the terms of the given polynomial expression. What is common in the expression 3x squared plus 9x? So we first notice that both terms contain the variable x, and that 9 is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. So the common factor is 3x. What factoring technique did you use to come up with the factors of each polynomial expression? First, I divide each term of the polynomial expression by 3x. So 3x squared plus 9x divided by 3x is equal to x plus 3. Next, I factor each term of the polynomial expression and factor out the common factor. So 3x times x minus 3 times 3x. The factors of 3x squared plus 9x are 3x and x plus 3. Therefore, 3x squared plus 9x is equal to 3x times x plus 3. Let us solve number 1. Factor 3x squared plus 9x. We can visualize the polynomial expression 3x squared plus 9x by looking at the algebra tiles below. So, we have 3 x squared tiles or quadratic tiles, and we have 9 rectangular tiles or the x tiles. Okay, let us show the factors of 3x squared plus 9x and use algebra tiles to visualize its factors. So we have here 3 large square tiles, or we call it the x squared tiles or the quadratic tile. And we have 9 x tiles and arranged this way to factor. So if we're going to add, that would be 3x and then x on top, and then we have plus 3 x tiles. So the factors of 3x squared plus 9x are 3x and quantity x plus 3. Therefore, 3x squared plus 9x is equal to 3x times quantity x plus 3. When you arrange the algebra tiles, you should be able to form a rectangle or a square to show that factors. To factor 2x squared minus 6x, we can visualize the polynomial expression 2x squared minus 6x by looking at the algebra tiles below. So we have 2 x squared tiles or quadratic tile and 6 red x tiles to represent negative 6x. Let us use algebra tiles to visualize the factors of 2x squared minus 6x. We have here 2 large square tiles to represent 2x squared and 6 red x tiles to represent negative 6x. Okay. To represent the two sides of the square tile, we have x plus x is equal to 2x. On top, we have another x for each side. And then since we have 3 columns of red tiles, we have negative 3. The factors of 2x squared minus 6x are 2x and quantity x minus 3. Therefore, 2x squared minus 6x is equal to 2x times the quantity of x minus 3. Okay. When you arrange the algebra tiles, you should be able to form a rectangle or a square. Factor 2x squared minus 6x. How did you factor the polynomial expression? So we look for what is common in the terms of the given polynomial expression. What is common in the expression 2x squared minus 6x? We're going to look at it closely. 2x squared has x and 6x has x. So they have a common factor, which is x. And also, if we're going to look at 2 and 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, our common factor is 2x. What factoring technique did you use to come up with the factors of each polynomial expression? First, I divide each term of the polynomial expression by 2x. 2x squared divided by 2x is equal to x. 6x divided by 2x is 3. So we have x minus 3. Next, I factor each term of the polynomial expression and factor out the common factor. So we have here 2x times x minus 2x times 3. I factor out 2x. So the factors of 2x squared minus 6x are 2x and quantity x minus 3. Therefore, 2x squared minus 6x is equal to 2x times quantity x minus 3. Okay, we'll factor next. Number 3, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Let us use algebra tiles to visualize the factors. So, x squared plus 6 green tiles, since we have positive 6x, and 9 yellow unit or ones tiles. Let us factor x squared plus 6x plus 9 using algebra tiles. So we have one large square tile and 6x is represented by 6 green tiles and 9 yellow tiles. We're going to arrange it this way. I was able to form a rectangle or a square. You have to remember that when you arrange the algebra tile, you should be able to form a rectangle or a square. What should I do? Let's try again. I will rearrange the tiles in this way. One large blue tile. On its right side, I placed 3 green tiles, and below it, I also place 3 green tiles. So I have here the 6 green tiles. And then on the space below the green tiles and beside the 3 green tiles, I placed the 9 yellow tiles. So we have here x and 3 green tiles, that is plus 3. Then on top, I have x and we have 3 green tiles, so that is positive 3. The factors of x squared plus 6x plus 9 are quantity x plus 3 and quantity x plus 3. Therefore, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to quantity x plus 3 times quantity x plus 3. How will you factor x squared plus 6x plus 9 without using the algebra tiles? Okay, we look for the factors of the first and last terms of the polynomial expression. Okay, x squared is our first term and 9 is our last term. The factors of the first term are x and x. The factors of the last term are 1, 3, and 9. How do we get the second term of a quadratic equation, x squared plus 6x plus 9? When a is equal to 1, the sum of the factors is equal to b and its product should also be equal to b. How do we split the middle term of the quadratic expression, x squared plus 6x plus 9? Let us examine closely the sum and product of the factors of 9. The sum of 1 plus 9 equal to 10, and the sum of 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 1 plus 9 cannot be, since it's not equal to the numerical coefficient of the middle term, which is 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 is okay. So, it's correct. The product, 1 times 9 is equal to 9. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, both of them is equal to 9. But we cannot use 1 times 9 as a factor since its sum is 10. So, 3 times 3, we can use this one since its sum is 6, which is the same as the middle term. So the factors of x squared plus 6x plus 9 are quantity x plus 3 times quantity x plus 3. Number 4, x squared minus 10x plus 24. We can visualize the quadratic expression by the algebra tile shown below. So we have one blue large square tile and 10 red X tiles and 24 yellow tiles. Visualizing the factors of x squared minus 10x plus 24, we have 1 blue x squared tile. On its right side, we have 6 red tiles, and below it, we have 4 red tiles. Then we will arrange on the space the 24 positive or yellow tiles. So we have there x, and then we have 4 x tiles, so minus 4. Then on top, we have another x and minus 6 red tiles, or minus 6. So the factors of x squared minus 10x plus 24 are quantity x minus 6 times quantity x minus 4. In here, the algebra tiles are arranged to form a rectangle. Let us factor x squared minus 10x plus 24. Look for the factors of the first and last terms of the polynomial expression. The factors of the first term, x squared, are x and x. The factors of the last term, 24, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. In the factors of the last term, we look for factors whose sum is 10 and whose product is 24. Factors who have a sum of 10 is only 4 and 6. The pair of factors 4 and 6 has a product of 24. Let us look closely at the sum and product of the pairs of factors. So all the pairs of factors have a product of 24. In the sum, there is a difference because 1 plus 24 is equal to 25, 2 plus 12 is equal to 14, 3 plus 8 equal to 11, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So if the sum is not 10, then we will cross it out, including the products. So what is left is only 4 plus 6, or 4 and 6, because 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, and 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Therefore, the factors of x squared minus 10x plus 24 are quantity x minus 4 and quantity x minus 6. It becomes negative because our middle term is negative 10x. Thank you for watching my math class, Mathematics Made Easy. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you. See you again next video. Bye.